We are going to calculate, first we have the annuity period flow and the rate of interest we have and number of years we have. So based on these three values, we are going to calculate the future value annuity. For example, in first case, know what is the lies in store of you. So suppose you have decided to deposit 30,000 per year in your public provident fund account for 30 years. What will be accumulated amount in your public provident fund account at the end of the 30 years? So your initial amount is 30,000 only. So you are going to calculate after 30 years with the interest of 8%. So based on this value, we have to apply the value in your formula. What is the future value interest find out formula is 1 plus r power n minus 1 divided by r. So 1 plus r is our interest. Interest is 8% means 8 divided by 100, you will get 0.8. That is our interest value. So 1 plus 0.8 is 1.08 power of 30 years. Power of n means 30 years minus 1 divided by r value 0.8. That is our r value. So by using this calculation, we will get 113.283 of values. So based on to multiply this two values, we will get the total amount of after 30 years with 8% interest. So we will get 33 lakhs 98,490 rupees. So 30,000 is your initial amount, and with the after 30 years, so we will calculate the annual future value interest of 30 years with interest rate is 8%. So you will get 33 lakhs 98,490 rupees. The next, if suppose they have given, that means you can able to add, you can able to use the formula. In second case, you want to buy a house after 5 years. So this is the second example for case 2. You want to buy a house after 5 years when it is expected to cost 20 lakhs. How much should you save annually if you are saving earn a compound return of 12%? The future value interest factor for 5 years annuity given an interest rate of 12%. So here future value of interest is n equal to 5. So 5 years and percentage is 12. So our amount is 20 lakhs. First, we should find out future value interest. Future value interest is, we have a formula 1 plus r power n minus 1 divided by r. So we know the value of r. So 1 plus r value is 0.12 of 5 years. So you will get the FVIFA. So based on this value, what they were asking, you want to buy a house after 5 years when it is expected to cost 20 lakhs. How much should you save annually? Annually, how much you have to save? So annually, in annual amount only you want. So total amount is 20 lakhs divided by future value. You have calculated the value 6.353 divided by this value means annually you have to save rupees 314,812. So based on this question only, you will substitute the values in the formula. The next, in case 3, another one example. In case 3, annual deposit in sinking fund. So future limit has an obligation to redeem 500 million bonds 6 years. Hence, how much should the company deposit annually in a sinking fund account where it earns 14% interest to accumulate 500 million of 6 years time? The future value interest factor of 6 years annuity given in interest rate of 14%. So already they have given 6 years and interest is 14%. So you can able to find out FVIFA value. So FVIFA value n equal to 6, r equal to 14%. So 1 plus r power n divided 1 plus r power n minus 1 divided by r. So 1 plus 0.14 of 6 minus 1 divided by 0.14, you will get the value of 8.536. The annual sinking fund deposit should be 5 million divided by 8.536 means you will get the rupees of annual sinking fund. So rupees 58.575 million annual sinking fund of this deposit. The next, present value annuity we are going to calculate. In present value annuity, so already future value how to calculate, we have the formula. So substitute this value in our formula. Whatever they want, based on this, you can able to modify the formula and you will get the Values. In present value of annuity, suppose you expected to receive 1,000 annually for 3 years, each recipient occurring at the end of the year. What is the present value of stream of benefit if the discount rate is 10%? The present value of annuity is simply the sum of present value of all inflows in the annuity. So, what they were asking, 3 years they were asking. So, first year, 1,000 of 1 by 1 plus R. So, 1 by 1 plus R, 1.10, 1 plus 10%. No? So 10% 0.10. So 1 plus 0.10 means 1.10 plus rupees 1,000 for second year and rupees 1,000 for third year. So multiply these two values and sum of these all values, we will get the total amount of 3 years. Okay, so present value we are calculating by 3 years. The first value is the rupees is per year 1,000 rupees. So we are going to calculate 3 years. So first year plus second year plus third year. First year we have the value of IV, FPIF, that is future value 1 by 1.10. So multiply with this total, multiply this initial amount with this amount. So you will get the, we will get 1 year, 1 year rupees. So 1 year rupees we will get. So based on this value, to sum of this 3 year value, we will get the 3 years total values. Thank you.